Hey, Mark Rice here. The quality of your creation through drawing, animation, or art in general depends on the quality of the speed of education. So, if you want to succeed, you have to be one of the best in a certain segment of art. In order to achieve that, you have to learn from the best. That is why I wanted to present, in my opinion, the best learning platform today. In this video, I'm going to explain why it is the best, and I'm also going to present a library of my courses I have created in the past few months. This is only the beginning of my best education, that's why it will be part 1. It is Black Friday, so I'll use the discount to enrich my library for a few more good courses. Why Domestika? All the other platforms, anyone can create a course. Thus you can come across extremely good but also bad courses. I tried each platform, I felt as I was gambling, searching through the phone. But teachers doing courses on Domestika are the best in their profession. The other reason I love Domestika is because the method the course is created by has its system. The system is created in a such way that it gets most out of the teacher. So they show the students all their tricks and shortcuts in a few hours. No matter which course you buy, you can't be wrong. And this platform is pretty cheap, because you can get lifetime knowledge for little as $10 or $20. Okay, now we are going to go through my courses library, and I will tell you something about each course. I will link the links for all the courses in the video description. There you can find more information on courses and buy some of them. And you can create your own bundle if you want, and thus save you a significant amount of money. So let's start from the beginning. The first course is an introduction to Adobe Illustrator. This course is actually made of 6 courses, which means it's about 10 hours of lectures in 77 units. Here you will learn all you need to know about Adobe Illustrator. You will go through all the tools, starting from the basic ones to those who will make you Illustrator Ninja. If you are at the very beginning or you want to supplement your knowledge, this is a very good course. More or less all the courses are in Spanish with English subtitles. I wasn't sure whether I will be able to follow the course, but I'm doing so without any problem. What's more, I capture each detail more easily while I'm looking at the titles. Those small important things I would miss if I was only listening. The second and the third course are pretty the same as the first one, but for After Effects. These 2 courses are also actually made from 11 courses. Just imagine how much knowledge. So if you want to go well acquainted to animation in the best possible way, these 2 courses are ideal. You will learn everything about tools, workflow, camera, movement, effects, basically everything you need for After Effects. Now, for one of my favorite courses on this platform. If you really want to animate like a pro, you have to understand animation in essence. And this course, which is the introduction to traditional animation, is the best way for that. I have gone through many courses related to this topic and I haven't found a course which will introduce you better to the basic of animation. I really like the course and seriously recommend it. The instructor is a cool guy and it is nice to listen to him. The 5th course taught me to love digital painting and inspired me to step out of the limits of flat design. It will lead you through the whole process of digital painting, from how to use brushes to the end result, which will leave both you and all others speechless. I have learned a lot of good tricks here. The instructor is also very pleasant. He worked for huge brands in the art field. When I started enjoying all the knowledge I gained through the previous courses, I had a wish for as many people as possible to see my work. That is why I decided to buy this course and learn a bit more about Instagram. Course lasts about an hour and a half and this time is devoted to everyone you need to know about growing on Instagram. Okay, so let's move on the next course. You probably already know this guy, or at last his work. His illustration seems so complicated to draw, but in fact everything is so simple. So in this course you will go step by step through the whole his process and get to know the magic of doodle art. So these are some of my works I did right after the course. What is important to mention is that this type of illustration is easy to apply in commercial purposes. on packages, in campaigns, and all the other digital promotional segments of graphic design. Which means that after this course and several illustrations, you can easily find a client. The next course was pure experimenting, something I know will mean to me in the future. Now I know how to sew superhero costume and wonder it now so nobody can recognize me. I even bought an old sewing machine and completely adapted it to my taste. It was a really different experience. You never know when you might need it, and I'm glad after all that I passed this course. Okay, so this course is for the fans of flat design, for all those who want to get to higher level and play with the professionals. After this course, your work will experience a new dimension. It is a very mighty course for all those who want to take a step further when it comes to vector illustration. If you want to go back to traditional drawing and learn all the necessary basics, then this is the course for you. Illustrations of this teacher might seem a little, but you can learn a lot from people like this. Here you will go through the whole process, from a line to a complex drawing. No matter what kind of drawing you do, I think this step is extremely important. It will be a base for all your work and relation to creation. The next course has the same purpose and I haven't watched it yet. I like the teacher's personality and I believe it will be a great experience and that I will learn a lot. Now, one of the courses I like the best on this platform. This is one of those courses after which you feel a significant progress in creation. It's a very powerful course when it comes to the influence of light and shadows on a drawing. I have a feeling that I use it only a little percentage of what I had learned from this course. There is so much more and I want to try out. And in the process I wanted to make my own Photoshop brushes. That is the reason I bought these two courses. Because I want to find out all about it. If you want the same, you won't find a better place to educate yourself. And the last course from the current library is really good if you want to know how to create your own character and stop copying other works. This course will lead you through all the segments of creating a unique character, from the basic shape to a complex illustration. And that's it. As you can see, I'm very happy with all the courses. This is why I love Domestika, because there is no mistake with this platform. All the links are given in the video description. And leave a comment down below which course do you like the most, because I will pick one of the comments and give away one of the courses from the platform. So see you soon and stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. Peace.
Wow.